In this video, we will discuss loop. In JavaScript, loops are used to execute a code multiple times. So it is an important part of programming. Up until now, we have only worked with if-else. Now we will work with loops. So the first loop is for loop. We will discuss their syntax and a little of the function here, one after the other. And then further on, we will look at them in detail. So, in for loop, what happens is it executes a code a certain amount of times with counter variable. Like here, I have its syntax. We have for, it has round braces. In round braces, what we do in round braces is we initialize the variable, which can be anything. Here, instead of I, it can be a, and then we add a condition on the variable. Our condition can be anything. Here I have used I is less than 3. Then we console log I. So what happens in this is firstly it checks if I is 0. Yes, I is 0. 0 is less than 3. The condition is true. When it has become true, it has console logged it. Then it comes back again. It increments. The increment was 0, so it became 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes, 1 is less than 3. So what happens is 1 is printed here. Then it goes back up again. Now 2. I has 2. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So what is printed in console log? 2. Similarly, it goes back again as 3. I has 3. 3 is less than 3. No, 3 is not less than 3. It is equal. So console log will not be printed. So the loop will be terminated here, and any statement or code that is outside the loop will be printed. The for loop is similar. It executes elements in array. We mostly use for of loop in array in JavaScript. So how do we do is element el here of, here is the keyword of an array, whichever array it is, and then we console log it. For in loop is used to execute for every key in an object. In it, the only difference is of or in. It will have in. We will console log key. Key will have objects. When we do key, object, and then key. The while loop is similar. While loop executes the code as long as the condition remains true. So while is logged in. It will have statements in it as long as it is logged in, and the condition will keep on being true. So this is it for this video. Let's look at its example in the next video.